Hi, I'm Ben. I'm here to learn English.
And I'm Emma. I'm here to help.
Let's learn together.
Let's learn together. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. My name is Emma.
And I'm Ben. Hi, Emma. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. I had a nice morning walk, so I feel fresh. What about you?
I'm great. I had a busy day at work, but now I'm happy to sit down and record with you.
That's nice. And of course, hello to all our listeners. We are happy you're here today.
Yes, thank you for joining us. Today, we're talking about jobs.
Jobs are such an important part of our lives. Everyone has a job, or maybe is looking for one, or has a dream job.
Exactly. So let's start with a simple question, Emma. What is your job?
I'm a writer. I write articles and sometimes short stories.
Oh, that sounds fun. What do you enjoy most about writing?
I like creating something new. I like that I can use my imagination and share ideas with people.
That's great. And where do you usually work?
I usually work at home on my computer. What about you, Ben?
My job is teaching. I'm a teacher and I work at a school.
And do you like it?
Yes, very much. I enjoy helping students learn. It's busy, sometimes stressful, but always interesting.
I think teaching is one of the most important jobs in the world.
Thank you. I also think writing is important. Without writers, we wouldn't have books, articles, or even podcasts like this.
True.
Let's talk about different jobs people can have. For example, we know teachers and writers. But what are some other common jobs?
Let's see. Doctor, nurse, engineer, chef, driver, farmer, police officer.
And also waiter, cashier, pilot, mechanic, artist.
There are so many. Some people work in offices, some in hospitals, some outside, like farmers or construction workers.
Right. And jobs can be very different. Some jobs are very physical, like working on a farm. Others are more about thinking, like designing software.
Exactly. Ben, when you were a child, did you dream about a different job?
Yes, I did. When I was little, I wanted to be a pilot. Flying in the sky always looked amazing to me.
Oh, that's exciting. I also had a dream job as a child. I wanted to be a singer.
Really?
Yes, I loved music. I used to sing around the house all the time.
Did you ever think about making singing your real job?
Not really. I realized later that I like writing more. But music is still a big part of my life.
You know, jobs are not only about money. They're also about happiness.
I agree. Some people earn a lot of money, but they don't enjoy their jobs. Others earn less, but they are happy.
That's a good point. For example, teaching doesn't make me rich, but it makes me happy.
And I feel the same about writing.
But sometimes jobs can also be stressful, right?
Definitely. Writing has deadlines. If I don't finish on time, it's stressful. What about you?
For me, stress comes when I have too many classes or when students don't listen. But usually it's good stress, not bad stress.
Let's talk about daily routines at work. Ben, what's a normal day like for you?
Well, I usually start work at 8 in the morning. I teach classes, check homework, and sometimes have meetings with other teachers. Then I finish around 3 or 4 in the afternoon.
That's a long day. Do you have a lunch break?
Yes, usually around noon. What about you, Emma?
My schedule is different. Since I write from home, I usually start in the morning, around 9. I spend a few hours writing, then I take a break. Sometimes I write again in the evening if I feel creative.
So your hours are more flexible.
Yes, but it also means I have to be disciplined. If I don't sit down to write, nothing happens.
I see. Many of our listeners might be looking for jobs. What advice would you give them?
I would say be patient. Finding a job takes time. Also, try to learn new skills because skills can help you get a better job.
That's great advice. I'd add, don't be afraid to talk to people. Sometimes you can find a job through a friend or a contact.
Yes, networking is important.
And when you have a job interview, try to be confident.
True. Let's give a short example of a job interview. You be the boss, Ben, and I'll be the applicant.
Okay. Hello, welcome. Please sit down. What's your name?
My name is Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma. Why do you want this job?
I want this job because I like working with people and I want to learn more in this field.
That's a good answer. Do you have experience?
Yes, I have 2 years of experience in a similar job.
Excellent. Thank you. We'll call you soon.
Thank you very much.
And that's how a simple job interview might go.
Ben, let's also talk about dream jobs. If you could change your job today, what would you choose?
Interesting question. Maybe I would become a travel photographer. I'd love to visit different countries, take photos, and share them.
Oh, that sounds exciting. For me, maybe I'd like to be a chef. I love cooking, and it would be fun to cook for other people.
Wow, that would be tasty.
Yes, maybe one day I'll open a small cafe.
I'll be the first customer.
Before we finish, let's quickly think of a few job phrases that are useful.
Sure. I'm looking for a job.
I work full-time.
I work part-time.
I have a job interview tomorrow.
I like my job because it's interesting.
I don't like my job because it's boring.
These are simple but very helpful sentences.
Well, I think we've talked a lot about jobs today. Our jobs, dream jobs, daily routines, stress, and even interviews.
Yes, it was a really good conversation. And we hope our listeners learned some new words and ideas.
Before we go, please remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
That way you won't miss the next episode and you can keep learning English with us.
Thank you so much for listening today.
Take care, everyone.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.